Number, what is it? Number 7. Is that number 7? Yeah, number 7. A fisherman gets fish daily, but keeps none for future reproduction, while the shepherd keeps his sheep purposefully. The motive of the fisherman is to catch and sell and share. To catch, sell, eat, or share. His plan for the future is to target the right spots in the river and the best fishing communities around. He buys nets, he repairs the old ones, he sets programs and activities to catch more fish. And then imagine churches and ministries that are running like that. Just programmed to catch more fish. But the goal of the shepherd is to tend his flock for future growth and expansion. His mission is to see his sheepfold healthy and growing by reproduction of each sheep within the fold. And this is the problem. A fisherman does not think, look, if this program is not working, we import the one that is working in that other church. But a shepherd is looking at, what can we do with those who are already here? Some of the things I have thought about, sir, in my pastoral years, one of the things I tried to do, I didn't do it successfully. I've not done anything perfect in my life. I just keep doing the best I could in the circumstance. But when people are too long in a local assembly, they give you problems. Because if you have, there is something called spiritual hangover, information overload. My job is to help you discover your ministry and then fulfill your ministry so that you are not struggling for microphone. They didn't allow me to lead prayer. They didn't call me to do that. If everybody is engaged in what God has given to them, less and less people will be interested in coming forward. If it's all about occupying till I come and my job is to shepherd the people,